Hey guys, so I had some questions about two of the Catwoman figures that were seen in my Whips video, the part two, and both of them are 8.5 inches tall and quite similar. I got them off eBay quite a few years ago. I believe more than maybe 15, 20 years ago. I tried to look up information, and since the costumes are sewed on, there's no way for me to really take them apart without wrecking them. So I can't find any manufacturer mark or anything, but they are quite posable. You notice the head on this one is more of a what we call natural look, real looking person, and this one's more of the animated look, and of course the costume is the animated costume. The bodies seem quite similar. They're the same size, although this one, the legs don't have the joint, so this might be a cheaper body. I'm really not an expert on larger figures like this, so I couldn't really tell you, what the buck was, the original, nor who put these together. I tried, but eBay records only go back a short while, and I didn't keep extensive records of my purchases back in the day, and any records I did have were lost in the flood. So that's about all I can do for you on these two 8.5 inch custom figures. I looked on eBay to see if any were being sold, and there are a lot of custom Catwoman for sale, but none that are exactly like this. So they are cool, and if anyone has any information, you can post it in the comments. And I'm out.